Hello student, today we will do example of exercise 12.2, example number 4 to 6. Example 4, figure is on your screen. Statement is, Kamla has a triangular field with side 240, 360, 200 meter where she want to grow wheat. In another triangular field with side 240, 320, 400 meter adjacent to previous field. She wanted to grow potato and onion. She divided the field into two parts by joining the midpoint of the longest side to the opposite vertex and grew potatoes in one part and onion in another part. How much area has been used for wheat, potato and onions? We have to find the area in hectares. Sides of triangle ABC are 360, 200, 240. Semi-perimeter 360 plus 200 plus 240 by 2. It makes 400 meter. Area of triangle ABC using Heron's formula. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is 400. 400 minus 360. 400 minus 200 and minus 240. Now subtract. Solving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Take 3 zeros from the root out. Remaining part we have. Now factor 4 into 4 same, 2 same, 4 4 just 16. From pair take out 4 2 times and 2 same in the root. After multiplication we have 16,000 root 2 meter square. In hectares, area is 1.6 root 2 hectare, in which she will grow wheat. Now for potato and onion. First we will find area of triangle ACD by using Heron's formula. Sides of triangle ACDA semi-perimeter. Now add. We have area of ACD by using Heron's formula. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, putting solving. One, two, three, four zeros. remaining part. Now factor 24 2s are 48, 24 same, 4 4 are 16, 8 2 into 2 into 2. Combine 24 into 24, 4 into 4, 2 4 times. Pair, take out 24 one time, 4 one time, 2 one time, 2 one time. After multiplication we have 38400 meter square. Area in hectares. .84. Area for potato 3.84 by 2 makes 1.92 hectares, and area for onion also 1.92 hectares. Next is example number 5. Figure is on your screen. Student of a school staged a rally for clinics campaigning. They walked through the lanes in two groups. One group walked through the lane AB, then BC, then CA, while the other through the sides AC, CD, DA. Then they cleaned the area enclosed within their lines. If AB 9, BC 40, CD 15, AD 28 and angle B is of 90 degree, which group cleaned more area and by how much? Find the total cleaned by the student. Angle B 90 degree. So area of triangle ABC, half into base into height, we have 180 meter square. AC by using Pythagoras. We have 41. Now sides of triangle ADC, that is scalene triangle, and we will find its area by using Heron's formula. So first we will find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is 42. Now area, apply formula. (42 minus 41), 42 minus 28, 42 minus 15. After subtracting we have, now factor 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are 42, 7 2s are 3 into 3 into 3 makes 27. Combine pairs, we have 126 meter square. So group 1, which goes through lanes AB, BC, CA, cleaned more area. So first group cleaned more area by 54 meter square, and total area cleaned by the student is 306 meter square. Last example of this exercise, example number 6. Sienna has a piece of land which is in the shape of rhombus. She wants her one daughter and one son to work on the land and produce different crops. She divides the land into two parts. Perimeter of land is 400 meter and one of its diagonal 160. How much each of them will get for their crops? Then side of rhombus, 400 by 400 meter. We know that all sides are equal of a rhombus. Sides of triangle ABD semi-perimeter Now area of triangle using Heron's formula, putting 180 minus 100, 180 minus 100, 180 minus 160, 80 take out, 10, 18 into 2, 2 9s are 18, 9, we can write it as 3 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18 into 2, 2 and 3 comes out, we have 4800 meter square. Each of them will get an area of 4800 meter square. Thank you. Keep smiling, everyone.